This is a battery drill. It can be used to drill wood using these bits. Plastic and metal with these bits. And masonry, which is things like brick and concrete, with these bits. You can also use a drill to drive in screws using a drill driver. Bits are clamped in the front of the drill, called the chuck. The chuck can be opened by twisting the front of the drill anti-clockwise so the jaws of the chuck open. Place your drill bit in the chuck and tighten it up, making sure the bit is in the centre of all three jaws. Tighten it securely. Number 1 on the speed switch is a slower speed for driving screws and drilling metal. Number 2 is faster for drilling wood and masonry. Above the trigger is the forward and reverse switch. This side for reverse and this side for forward, when you can find it. At the front of the speed switch is a dial with 3 symbols on. Turn to the drill bit symbol to drill at maximum power or torque. Turn to the hammer symbol to drill at maximum power with percussive action. This setting is for when you're drilling masonry only. The screw symbol allows you to drill within a torque range, which is set by a dial in front of those with the symbols on, 1 being the least resistance, 16 being the most. When the battery runs out, it can be changed by pushing down on the button on the front of the battery and sliding the whole battery forward of the handle. Please put dead batteries on charge when exchanging for a charged one.